Statements. Managing your landlord's statement of accounts is displayed under Statement. So the statement icon is located in the property profile page. Select a property. Now select Statement. The yearly statement shows rents still outstanding on this rental term, rents received to date on this rental term, and rents paid to landlord to date on this rental term. Your automated monthly management fee will also be shown here on further months. To manage a monthly statement, select the date icon in light blue. This will show you funds received for this month. Any deductions to be made, such as management fee, will also be shown here. You can add agency fee. So select a service type. So select Add Agency Fee, select your service type as letting, enter the amount of charge, and if this is including VAT or not including VAT, we're going to actually select Adding VAT, and we're going to put a note on this as letting service. You have a further two options after this: to generate an invoice on the system, or to upload an invoice that you've generated from perhaps a different accounts package. And press save. In this instance, I'm going to generate the invoice. So I'm just going to press save. And when I do that, an invoice has been generated onto my platform. So I'm just going to click and show you that. And it's downloaded locally on my hard drive. And here, the invoice is on the system. It's actually generated with an invoice number and a statement number, uniquely generated for my platform. Now remember, the landlord can have access to all of this system once you give him access. You can also add tradesmen fees to be deducted and paid. So select Add Tradesmen and select the tradesman. And input a note relating to what trade it was. So here I'm going to put in a plumbing note and a plumbing invoice and an amount that invoice is for. I'm going to choose a file locally that I've on my hard drive, and I'm going to press save. Now when I press save, that actual invoice is on the system, and it's going to be viewable by the landlord also. And the invoices are all correlated in my accounts area, where I can pay my tradesmen what's in and when it's in, etc. So if you're happy that these are the correct deductions to be made and you wish to pay your landlords, select Mark as paid and record the date that you actually paid the landlord. So for most, they're going to be actually paying this payment electronically, and then they're coming back onto your Rentview, marking the date as paid, and now Rentview is keeping a track record of all payments. So now we've got on the system the amount of money which was received and paid to the landlord, and the balance. Now if we go back into the date and we click on our management fee invoice, for example, once again the invoice is downloaded locally, but now when we open it up we can see that it was actually paid. So congratulations, you've just transferred money out of your account.